Remove the bracket and screws from the box. Assemble the bracket by attaching the 2 mounting plates to the back plate. Use the 4 3/4-inch self-tapping flathead screws and 4 1/4-inch flathead screws to secure the mounting plates in place. Mount the bracket to the mullion using the self-tapping screws Route the Cat 6 cable through the middle of the bracket down to the shorter mounting plate. Use the 3/8-inch flathead screw to attach the front plate. Attach the ASTRO door bracket using the remaining screws. Remove the back plate from the ASTRO device. Place the device onto the bracket and secure it with the screws. Insert the Cat 6 cable into the ASTRO device. Installation complete.